Welcome to Acer Showroom, your trusted channel for the latest updates in the automotive world. In today's video, we are diving into the details of the 2025 new Suzuki Bolan Carrier compact van that continues to dominate the light commercial vehicle segment in Pakistan and beyond. Whether you're a small business owner, a fleet operator, or simply a car enthusiast, this update is worth your attention. Overview of the 2025 Suzuki Bolan Carry. The 2025 Suzuki Bolan Carry arrives with subtle but meaningful updates while staying true to its core purpose, being a reliable and practical workhorse. Built for transporting goods and passengers in urban and semi-urban environments, the new Bolan retains its classic boxy design, which maximizes interior space and maneuverability. Suzuki has fine-tuned the structure to improve overall durability and stability on rough roads, making it a continued favorite in its segment. Updated engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Bolan Carry carries forward the tried and tested 796 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder EFI engine, now tweaked for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The vehicle still operates with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering improved gear ratios for smoother acceleration. With rising fuel prices, Suzuki's focus on economy means the Bolan now delivers a more efficient fuel average, making it even more attractive for commercial use. Interior comfort and practicality. Inside the cabin, Suzuki has introduced a few welcome upgrades. The 2025 model features enhanced seat cushioning, improved legroom, and a more ergonomic dashboard layout. While basic in terms of luxury, it now includes essential features such as a better air ventilation system, more durable flooring, and optional rear seat belts for improved safety. The focus remains on functionality, but the minor tweaks certainly enhance the driving and passenger experience. Exterior design and dimensions. From the outside, the 2025 Bolan Carry stays familiar, keeping the signature high roof design and sliding side door. However, the headlights and front grille have received slight cosmetic updates for a fresher look. The compact dimensions remain ideal for navigating through tight urban streets, while the ground clearance supports its rugged use in less developed areas. Utility and cargo capacity. The true strength of the Bolan Carry lies in its utility. Whether used as a passenger van or converted into an ambulance, cargo loader, or mobile shop, its adaptability remains unmatched. The flatbed area is spacious and the load capacity has been slightly improved with reinforced suspension, making it an even better tool for small-scale businesses and tradesmen. Safety and compliance. Safety has always been a concern in this segment, and Suzuki is addressing this gradually. The 2025 model includes basic safety features such as seat belts, improved braking performance, and reinforced body panels. While still lacking advanced driver assist features,